Hey, bitches! Say hi.
Hi. 24 years.
Yep. So, Zippo, Jason,
Hey,
she
Jason.
was dogging me about how old you are. This little shit over here has a man who's 23 too.
Not my man. He's just a toy.
But
I have
anyway, she saw your video and everything like that, so she wants to meet you.
Coming to Hawaii.
So she wants to meet you, and I'm gonna meet her man too. Actually, she's got many.
Not that many.
No, I'm just kidding. But yeah. So I was crying like a little baby. I was nervous. Actually, I was shaking.
Finally.
But I was telling her my story and everything. So now we're cool.
Yeah.
But so I'm happy.
Yay.
We're not drinking. Fucking
No,
bitch.
no wine. I didn't bring the wine.
But anyway, so we're gonna chill some more and bye.
Bye.
Fucking bitches. Bye. Okay, bye.